Hi, Ben Godinez, your Insurance 101 guy. Hey, listen, full disclaimer here before I get into the video. I understand that insurance is about as sexy as watching paint dry. So I get it, but hopefully today you'll leave with something that you didn't know and maybe something that you'll add on to your insurance policy. And that is medical payments. What is it? What does it cover? How much is it? How much coverage do you need? I'm going to cover all that in about 2 minutes. Medical payments is no-fault coverage. What does that mean? It doesn't matter who's at fault. Your kid could smash their finger in their door, or you can be in an accident. If someone's injured in your vehicle, the coverage can apply. All right? So what generally does it cover? Usually people have health insurance, right? So if you have health insurance, fantastic. Doesn't mean you don't need medical payments. There's usually 2 types of medical payments. There's straight medical payments, and there's excess medical payments. The difference is excess will only pay out in excess of a typical deductible or after your health insurance pays. So if you have excess on your policy, it means that after your health insurance company pays, they'll pay the balance. And so that could be co-pays, deductibles, anything that your health insurance doesn't cover, like physical therapy, chiropractic care, massage therapy. Depending on your insurance company, it will usually pay out for those things. Now, that's something that you want to ask. You can actually call your claims department and ask them if they have that written in their policy. Otherwise, you can read through your 59 pages of your insurance policy and try to comb through it, or you call your agent. But either way, you want to make sure that they will cover you for chiropractic and massage therapy, because that's usually the things that people have the most complaints about. It's not like you go to the hospital and you're all fixed. It's usually you're not going to work the next day because you're sore, or you might need to work through your muscles because they're all locked up. So medical payments will pay either way, whether you have excess or regular. They'll usually pay for the things that your health insurance does not cover. Now, how expensive is it? Generally, you're talking about $5 a month per vehicle for medical payments. And excess is usually like $10 or $15 a year. So you're talking $1 to $5 a month per vehicle on your policy for medical payments. That's why it's absolutely essential. How much do you pay for your health insurance? I'll wait. You're probably paying a couple $100s a month, if not more. All right? Medical payments is absolutely the cheapest type of medical insurance you can buy. How much do you need? $5,000 is usually a sweet spot for most insurance policies, but excess medical payments, you want at least $5,000. That's usually the minimum requirement. For regular medical payments, you can go anywhere from $1 to some policies up to $25,000 worth of medical payments. To determine how much you need, it depends on if you have kids, if you're driving, kids at the school, on field trips, or you're carpooling. You want as much as either your deductible on your health insurance or how many kids you have on the policy. You want $5,000 per kid. Okay, yeah, it might add up to a couple $100s a year for that medical payments, but guess what? It's still pennies on the dollar cheaper than your health insurance, and it will pay out nearly 100% of the time. Talk to any chiropractor, talk to any therapeutic massage therapist, physical therapist, even doctors. They will all tell you they will charge the medical payments first, or the other party, because medical payments will pay out. Hope that's some good information for you. Give me a call if you have any other questions. Ben Godinez, your Insurance 101 guy.